Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Log. Sagicor Real Estate X Fund says it made a lower profit at the end of its second quarter. For the April to June period, the fund made 169 million Jamaican dollars after meeting tax obligations, down from the 282 million Jamaican dollars made in the similar period last year. The lower earnings were linked to the current economic climate, which affected the value of the investment portfolio. The profit performance trickled down from lower revenue of 2.12 billion Jamaican dollars in its second quarter, down from 2.19 billion. The quarter's income brought Sagicor Real Estate X Fund's half-year income to 4.3 billion Jamaican dollars in revenue. The gross domestic product GDP for the finance and insurance services industry rose by 2.2% in the first quarter of this year. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says this was mainly due to growth in core banking and investment activities, along with growth in the insurance services sub-industry. The growth in banking activities for the January to March period was linked to improved performance in commercial banks as a result of higher net interest income and fees. Other charges also went up. The chief investment officer at JMMB has resigned. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company said Avanish Bissessar tendered his resignation effective September 18, 2024. He will be replaced by Paul Gray, who currently serves as Group Executive in charge of special projects. JMMB says Mr. Gray will assume the role in September. He has previously served as Chief Investment Officer before being seconded to JMMB's Dominican Republic operations in the capacity of interim country head in January 2017. Now, foreign currency exchange trading ended today, with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.74. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.18. $203.57 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.59. And the JSE index advanced by 266 points, while the junior market declined by 26 points. Among the 42 winners were The Lab, QWI Investments, I Create Ordinary Shares, MFS Capital Partners, and Caribbean Cream. The 49 losers included T-Tech, Omni Industries, Jamaica Public Service Company 7%, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and JFP. 11 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Log. Good evening.